But when it comes to protect abantwana, I think ikuthina abazali ukuthi senze show ukuthi siyabatshela iqiniso. We need to tell them the truth ukuthi umhlaba is not roses and sweet and pink. Umhlaba abantu abaphila abekho right. Not everyone who walks who looks like a human being is a human being. Esiqale lapho. Not as a way of really scaring them, but telling them the truth. Even spirituality, we need to tell them lezi zinto lezi esizithole sesibadala thina sibatshele besakhulu ukuthi sithole language ezohambisana ne-age yabo so they can understand ukuthi emhlabeni kukanje. Yes mntanami as much as ngikisa esikoleni but siphile emhlabeni la khona kumele ube nama-skill athile azokwazi ukuthi uzazi ukuthi ubani ungadependele entweni because umhlaba uyashintsha 1 minute we need human like manpower, the next it's technology, then there's AI, so we'll never know what this world is going to be in the next 5 years. So you need to tell the kids the truth, especially when it comes to other people, shaking hands, touching people as adults, they must also know them. Not everyone, because kids are innocent.
Yes.
And abantu who are spiritually dirty and rotten, they know what are the things they can use or do to innocent kids. So kumele senze show ukuthi thina siyabavikela ngokuthi sibatshele iqiniso and be there present. Let's not like be relaxed. Akusafani nakuqala la khona thina sasihamba ama long distance when we go to school and
still be safe.